Bricks, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food, Spanish town.
Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? I'm hot. In the last clip you guys saw me, I was in the hairdresser. I just did my hair. Right now I'm about to put a little clip here, like you know those little design clips. Yeah, don't mind my chest. Honestly, it's very hot here and I just have to powder up my chest, and on top of that I have a rash, so don't mind my chest and how I look. But yeah, I'm just here. I visit my auntie. I slept over last night, so I am soon about to go back to my husband's house, and I don't know what we're gonna do today, but it's really hot, like extremely hot. But yeah, this is just my little update. Since I've been here, I haven't really been vlogging because I haven't really been doing anything, because as you guys know, I've been on quarantine and there's nothing really to do while I'm on quarantine. But yeah guys, right now I want to put braces on my teeth and all these type of stuff. But yeah guys, look how outside looks. You guys can't really see, but if the trees isn't there, you would be able to see like the ocean and stuff. Okay. Yeah, I'm at my husband's house. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but yeah, I'm just here, I'm just chilling. As I said before, it's friggin' hot and I'm just here sitting in the heat basically. My aunt said that she wants us to go to Dead End Beach. If you're from Mobe or if you've been to Mobe, you might know what Dead End Beach is. So she wants to go to Dead End Beach so we can just chill and I can dip my foot in the water so I can feel a little cool this evening. Because guys, when I tell you, Jamaica is hot in the summertime, yes, but this heat that is keeping this year, no normal. So any way that I can cool down myself, I'll take it. Like most nights I just feel like I would just lay down and tell someone to dash a pan of water on me or something. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna vlog more often because now I'm gonna start doing a little bit of stuff here and there. I'm not gonna be like held down in the house. Like yeah, I'm gonna still be, you know, being safe and, you know, following certain safety precautions and protocols, but I'm gonna try and do more activities. Yeah, you don't know. So we are going downtown. Yes guys, we're here at Dead End Beach. Yeah, and we got Burger King and things. Yes, I'm here with Auntie Nisha and Shana K. May I tell you, guys, you don't know how glad I am to see the beach after so long. Trust me. Alright, let me eat, because I'm hungry. 7.5. So we went in the beach and we washed off our foot. We took pictures and stuff. Look how the beach looks so pretty. So pretty. Right now we're just holding our vibes, listening to music, but I'm kind of ready still because some mosquito and some stuff are bite me up. But I don't know how. Ah, no, no. No, don't do that. Look.
Don't do that. Please.
Cadilla.